Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture. Options have become remarkably popular, but the concept of options is still treated with fear. When I started trading options, a friend warned me about what I was getting into. But options is a wonderful tool to limit our risk and maximize our returns if you structure your plan and follow it every time. There are so many benefits of options trading. Options enables us to control more asset for less money. One option contract represents 100 shares and usually a fraction of the cost of what you would pay for the equivalent number of shares. For example, if ABC stock is priced at $30, an option to buy one contract of ABC share might be placed at $3. Because one contract represents 100 shares, we can therefore buy one contract of ABC stock for $300. But if we buy the 100 shares of ABC company, we would have to pay a total sum of $3,000. So in this example, we can buy ABC call option for around 10% of the stock price in order to control $3,000 of ABC stock until the expiration date. Option enables us to trade with leverage because our cost biases are so low. The position is much more sensitive to the underlying stock price movements. Hence, our percentage return can be so much greater. Options also enables us to trade for income because we design different strategies for the purpose of generating income on a regular basis. Options give us ability to make profit from declining stocks. We can use puts and calls to ensure that we can make money even if the stock goes up, down or sideways. Options enables us to reduce our risk of trading, and in certain rare cases, we can even eliminate risk by giving very little money in the form of premium. So, with all the different benefits of options, why would not be curious to learn more about option strategies? Option trading can be a challenge because they are reasonably complex instruments to understand, but it's my job to make it learn as simple as possible for you. After you are over that hurdle, they will become more and more fascinating. As soon as you go through the course, it will become much clearer and simpler when you are creating option strategies. So, if you want to take all the benefits of option trading, let's get started.